Yeah, when we come together, it's like we come as a family
Yes.
and we call each other on the phone. When we
Mm-hmm.
come as a group, it's like we feel more relaxed.
Yeah. We're a very close-knit group. One person hurts, the other one hurts, and we just have someone's compassion for one another. And it's all led by Dr. Modell because she shows that to each and every one of us. She's very special to us. I've been with the groups, I believe since 2012. I've been there so long I can't remember the exact year, but I think it's 2012. Between Dr. Modell and the others, they're always there for us. They'll give us emotional support, whatever it is that we need to get us through it. Yes, I feel very good, uplifted.
Oh, look at that.
See, this is how we support each other, you see?